In The Call of the Wild, Buck's character traits change into various things like loyalty, being devoted, determined, he's also affectionate, and he's smart, stubborn, fearless, tough, and also he is brave. Buck is loyal because with every owner he ever had he always obeyed whatever they asked of him, especially when he was with John Thornton. He is devoted because when he was getting the Call of the Wild he always came back to John Thornton. Buck is affectionate because whenever John called him they would usually play these dog games. Buck is also determined, like when John made a bet, Buck was determined to make John Thornton proud of him and what he was doing. Buck's smart, he's smart in plenty of ways, like when he fought Spitz, learned quickly after a couple of trees how to kill him, and when John Thornton and his team went to unmapped places and didn't have enough food he went hunting for some. When Buck was getting beaten by the man in the red sweater, this is where Buck shows the trait for being stubborn because he kept coming back up until he couldn't move. Fearless, Buck is fearless, mostly because he was willing and able to kill a bear. Buck is tough because 1. He took on a bear and killed it. 2. He threw himself in front of a herd full of moose and got a moose. 3. Took on a yeehats and killed almost all of them. 4. Took on the wolf pack and took out some of them, then afterwards befriended them. And last, he is brave mostly because of the 4 things I stated before. These are the character traits that most relate to Buck in his story through life and death in The Call of the Wild. I think these traits help Buck with everything he has went through in his harsh life.